Comparing the Maybelline 24HR versus the 30HR foundation. Maybelline Superstay 30-Hour Foundation. Applying it to the left side of my face. Applying it with a sponge, already loving the coverage. Now using my favorite drugstore foundation, the Maybelline 24-Hour. I love this foundation. Applying the foundation with a different sponge. This is the finish with just the foundation.
Okay, so this is the finished look with both of the foundations on. I do have to say there is a difference. I feel like the Maybelline 30-Hour Superstay foundation is a little bit more drier than the Maybelline 24-Hour foundation. But honestly, I do love both of the foundations. You guys know this is my ride or die foundation when it comes to drugstore foundations. But I do have to say that this foundation does have a really good coverage. Of course, if you have dry skin, I would not recommend this foundation at all. And also, if you do have oily skin and you still feel like this foundation is a little too dry, I would recommend going in with less powders. But apart from that, I do like both of the foundations.